Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So in Microsoft Edge, we get our split screen view as an option. And we also have an option to switch to vertical layout, which places the two tabs on top of each other instead of side by side. And this is also prevalent in browsers like Vivaldi as well. Now it seems if we head over to Chrome Canary, which is an early preview version of Chrome, that Chrome now and Google are testing a new split view layout in Canary that will let you arrange tabs in a horizontal split alongside the existing side-by-side view. And the feature is called stacked split views, which adds a top and bottom layout alongside Chrome's current split view mode. Now, as you may well know, in Chrome as well, which is partly rolled out to the stable using a controlled rollout and has been prevalent in Canary for quite some time, we get our Add Tab to Split View. Now you'll see we've got two options, side by side or stacked. So basically on top of each other, like I showed you in Microsoft Edge. And you'll also notice if we right click on one of the split tabs, you can separate views like you can in the normal split screen setup. You can close top view, you can close bottom view, you can show side by side, and you can reverse views. So you've got a couple of options, which I think is great. And something else is if we click on Arrange Split View, the toggle in the actual toolbar to the top left, you have the same options, which I do think is great. Now, this is not a default feature in Chrome Canary. It's hidden behind a new experimental flag. So if we head into our experimental flags page, what you would do is just type in split. And here you'll see stacked split views, where the split views can be arranged in a stacked layout. Now, I have noticed that when enabling the flag, enabled did nothing. I had to choose the option enabled direct access, which got the feature working. So if you are testing features in Chrome Canary, just take note of that. And I think this is nice. It gives us choice. And especially if you are using widescreen content 16.9 format, I think this layout makes a little bit more sense if you are going to be multitasking and viewing two tabs in one window. And obviously you also can adjust the size of the two tabs as well, which is nice. And I think this is a feature which will eventually make its way into the stable version. I don't see why it wouldn't. It makes a lot of sense, just giving us a lot more options in regards to the split view feature. But nonetheless, if I get any more information, obviously, as always, I'll keep you guys posted. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.